Andrew Tulloch, the co-founder of Mira Murati's Thinking Machine Lab, just departed the AI startup to rejoin Meta, according to the Wall Street Journal, marking another major talent acquisition for Mark Zuckerberg's Superintelligence Lab. Welcome to AI News in a Minute, brought to you by Tavis, the future of interactive video. I'm Jerome W. DeWald. This is Monday, October 13th, 2025. Meta talent acquisition is the headline, and it matters because when top researchers return to megalabs, the model race accelerates. Tulloch reportedly faced a compensation offer as high as $1.5 billion. He leaves a $2 billion team that just shipped its first product. And that concentration turbocharges model development. Meanwhile, Elon Musk's xAI is recruiting NVIDIA experts to build world models that generate playable 3D games. Musk even teed up an AI-generated AAA quality title before 2026, which could rewrite game design overnight. OpenAI says GPT-5 shows 30% lower political bias in tests, a measurable improvement, but biases still surface on heated prompts and can ripple across millions of conversations. Creators also get superpowers. OpenAI's Sora 2 video model is now API accessible, enabling instant video generation inside apps, a huge boost for creators and a giant red flag for deepfakes and copyright. And legal drama brews. OpenAI served subpoenas tied to California's SB 53, prompting accusations of intimidation and a real risk that policy fights will decide who gets to build. Talent, tech, policy, everything is moving at breakneck speed. That was your AI News in a Minute with Jerome W. DeWald. Stay ahead in the AI race. Leave your thoughts about AI industry shifts in the comments, give this video a like, and hit subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's AI News in a Minute.